Good morning, everyone. We're going to do calendar this morning, so let's start with our rules song, okay? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Nice job. This is calm what? Calm hands, good. Eyes on teacher, or you can say eyes on the screen. And listening ears are important to listen to the words, right? Nice job. All right, let's start our calendar. Let's talk about how we're feeling today. Today I feel, let's go down here, sad, angry, surprised, nervous, bored, loved, happy, silly, tired, or sick. I hope nobody's sick or angry. Let's see. This morning I'm feeling, oh no, I gotta stop this. I think I'm still feeling happy. Sorry that took me a little while, but I think I'm feeling pretty happy today. I don't see the sun outside, but I feel happy because it's Thursday, and it's kind of exciting because today is the last day of April, which we'll talk about. So I'm feeling pretty happy. I like new months. It's exciting. So I'm feeling happy today. How are you feeling today? Can you tell me how you're feeling? Which one? Yeah. I hope everyone's feeling happy. That's what I hope. All right, let's do our calendar. We're going to start with the days of the week.
Yippee! It's April 2000.
All right, here we go. Let's do the days of the week, friends. Ready? All right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, nice. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Good. Can you tell me the day of the week? It's Thursday. Awesome job. Today's Thursday. Let's click this button that says Thursday.
Great job.
All right. Today is Thursday, April 30th. All right, let's do the months of the year next. Days of the week are all done. It's the months of the year. We always start with what? January, okay? Let's do it. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and September, October, November. Then we turn around. Nice job. I hope you're saying the names of the months when I stop. I bet you are, because you guys are really good about that. The month is April. It's the last day in April today. Nice job. All right. Days of the week are all done. The months of the year are all done. And now we have to do some counting. Okay, ready? Let's do counting. It's a big number. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's 30. 30 looks like this. There's a 3 here and a 0. That's 30. Great. Now look, if we count by fives, to 30. Let's do that, okay? You're going to follow along with me. 5. Where's 10? 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's counting by fives. That means we count by fives, right? We do 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5. 5 more hops is 10. Okay? Nice job. Next, let's count by tens. We're going to count by tens. When we count by tens, we start at 10. So it goes 10, 20, 30. Let's look at that. 10, 20, over there, and 30. Good. That's counting by tens. So look, tomorrow, I don't see a day there tomorrow. That means, boys and girls, April is all done tomorrow. Next month is, it's May. I love a new month. So this is the last day in April, so that's pretty exciting. You guys did a nice job all of April. Great. So now that we talked about the days of the week and the months, and we counted, and you skip counted by 5s and 10s, we're going to do the weather, okay? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Oh, I hope you guys got outside yesterday, because yesterday, Wednesday, was sunny. Today I'm looking out my window. It's looking rainy today. I'm going to put my rainy picture up here. The weather today is rainy. Nice job. And remember, this is a picture of an umbrella to keep us dry. Awesome work. Let's do the season. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. I like that song that we sang during calendar in the morning about the 4 seasons, right? The season, the flowers are growing, it's getting warmer, there's some rain. It's spring. Can you tell me the season? If you said spring, you're right. There it is. There's the spring. Good. All right, now let's go back and we're going to say our whole date. All right, you're going to help me say it. All right, today is Thursday. What was the month? The last month or the last day of this month? April. What was that big number? 30. You tell me again. 30. Good. 2020. The weather was or is rainy, right? The season is spring. Great job, boys and girls. So I'm going to do one more video today because we've been talking about a little bit about the life cycle of a butterfly. Do you remember? So we've been talking about what? Remember the egg? We've been talking about the cocoon or the chrysalis. We've been talking about the caterpillar and a butterfly. So I'm going to do another video today about that, okay? All right, you guys did a nice job for calendar. See you later. Bye.